Good morning, Team Rivan. So, ang ating video for today is actually intended for two groups, okay? The first group is for our favorite network engineers na who's trying to do career shift papunta sa large companies, okay? So, ang skills na you need to acquire, it's called ITSM or Service Management Skills, okay? So, anong kinalaman nito sa network engineer or sa cybersecurity or whatever? Well, is this. Meron po tayong tinatawag na IT service management processes. So, nandito po ang service catalog, service desk, incident management, and all of these things. Saan siya ginagamit? Okay, so I'll give you an example. For example, sa PLDT ninyo sa bahay, maraming tumatawag na wrong number. Okay? It's because usually phone numbers are recycled. So ang gagawin mo po para mabago yung phone number mo, pupunta ka sa PLDT Service Desk, which is this one. Saan ba yun? Yeah, this one. PLDT Service Desk. Okay? So, it's a service desk, you will undergo what you call a service request. For example, you need to change your cell phone number or telephone number. So if you want to change the telephone number, there is a process. Okay? So in order to achieve that process, you would have to learn the whole thing. Okay? So in order to have a sort of a big picture idea, so you will have to download itong ating dalawang files. Okay? So the first one is the ITIL 2022. Let's just extract it. So give it a second. So it's a VMware image of one of the systems used by the telco. So gumawa tayo ng virtual image niyan. At possibly itong docs, but we will not be using it in this demo. Okay? So let's just stick with this one. So after extracting yung ITIL 2022 or whatever year, you'd run your favorite virtualization software, in my case, VMware. Okay? So we'll try to open it. Click natin File, Open. Just have to remember saan ko nalagay. Alright. I think, yeah, dito pala. So name natin, IT Service Management 2023. Okay? So, click natin Import. So, wait for a few seconds. Mabilis lang to. Okay, while you're importing, it's important na punta ka dito. There's a notepad inside. There's a text file. Okay, so i-keep natin yan. We're gonna use this as a login prompt. So, wait lang natin. Hope my video is still recording. Here we go. So, you have 4 gig, etc., etc. Okay, it's good that we increase this to, let's say, 8 gig to make it more responsive. If you can't, give it a higher memory, I guess. I think 8 is good. Okay lang natin. So, by default, gawin na lang natin NAT. Okay? So that you have internet access inside. So, run this virtual machine. Press enter. And wait for it to boot up. Now, at this point, ang kailangan po natin gawin is we need to have a browser. For example, Opera or any browser na you're using. Okay. So, yeah. Good. Login po tayo. The username is root. The password is kung anong ginagamit natin parati sa school. You know that, of course. So, check natin yung IP with the command IPADDR. So, you will notice na ang IP po niya is 108.133. Perfect. So, let's launch any browser. I guess this one is good. So this time we need to put the IP 192.168.108.133 as you have seen here. So mas maganda kukuhain mo to. Get all of it. Okay? Now, tapos i-substitute mo siya dito sa ating prompt. Doon sa text file sa loob. Okay? Make it easier for you guys. Double check natin yung IP. Yeah, it's 108.133. So good. Ilagay natin dito. At lastly dito. Okay? So we get this one. At ilagay natin sa browser. So it may take some time bago mag-appear lahat yon. Just be patient, I guess. Tapos the second one. Ito. And last, this one. No, bakit tatlo yan? Actually, the question is, bakit tatlo lang yan? If you look at our diagram, to have a fully functioning service system, you need at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 modules to be done. So, don't worry, covered natin lahat yan. Anyway, so let's go to the first one. So, this is the admin view. So, username would be this one. I call this the IT manager's viewpoint. Okay? Lagyan natin. Okay, while waiting, let's go for the other one. Yeah, good. Might as well bring this towards here. Good job. Now this one, log in natin. Okay, so this is one of the laboratories na ginagamit natin sa ITIL class natin. That every future network engineer should be able to know. Okay? Thank you. Okay, so what should be the first things to be done? Okay? So let's say gagawa tayo ng unang ticket. Okay? So bago natin magawa yan, we need to have our own tinatawag nating PLDT services. As you can see, PLDT has their own service dito nakalagay, such as only fiber plans, etc., etc. So, gayahin natin yan, okay, to make it, more realistic, I guess. So, we head over to our OTRS. We go to services. Click natin service. Okay. So, gawa tayo ng bagong service. Admin. Look for the services. There it is. So, wala pang service. So, it's like none. So, we add. First is to add is, oh Lord. Okay, fine. Just get all of it. Happy? So, right now, we're going to have 4 services. Para kunwaring, we are a service provider like PLDT. So the service is PLDT only plans. Now this is definitely possibly an end user service, or we could modify natin to, add natin dito. But this time, let's just call this end user service. Okay. And priorities, normal business priority. We'll be learning all those priorities in the future. Save natin. Add one more, I guess. So, add natin ito para maiba. It's an IT and user service. Normal, priority. Click natin save. Okay. So next thing to our, mini PLDT is that we need to create a first ticket. So type natin service request. Let's say magpapakabit tayo ng PLDT. So notice po wala po tayo nakalagay dito. At yung mga service natin is basically unclickable kasi meron pa tayong hindi nagagawa. Okay, so let's continue. So we go to admin. So we will be needing to make the tinatawag nilang queues. To. So these are the people answering your service request. So add tayo ng queue. Now, typically sa company, we call this the service desk slash tier 1. Okay? These are the group that handles the first level of support. Okay? Save natin. Okay, so they should have an answer. So let's just give it a test answer. Save and finish. Okay na yan. So there's one. Guess we have to create a new one. Kuha tayo ng queue. Isa pa. Ito para dun sa mga taong galit na galit. I need to talk to your manager. So this is called the tier 2 report. Save natin. Okay, so save lang muna natin yan. Okay, so next on the list. Okay, so this is like an overview of, the whole process. Is gagawa po tayo ng tinatawag nilang service catalog. So basically what PLDT is providing. Kasi yung nagawa po natin is called an incident, problem, change management. Okay? It's because pag nandito tayo, wala kang landline, mag-i-issue ka ng incident. Lagay natin dito sa tier 2 support. Subject, no internet. Magalit tayo as usual. No internet. Okay? At bigyan natin ng ultra high priority. So, pwede natin baguhin to later. So, click natin save. Yan. So, yung nagawa natin yan, that one, it's called an incident management and problem management process. But we need first to have a service catalog. Okay? So, ang service catalog natin is like basically what your service does as seen to the public. Kasi itong ginawa natin dito, ang services, ang nakakita lang po nito is basically the internal customers. Meaning PLDT staff. So we need to have this one. Okay? So dapat natin i-define natin yan sa ating web. So install natin tong web app. So kasi if you go to PLDT, notice ito yung kanilang support home, no? Pero pag pupunta tayo dito sa internet nila, this is what they're offering. Ito yung tinatawag nilang service catalog. Alright? So, Only Fiber, usually tatlo yan. Okay? So, here we go. So, gawa tayo ng ganyan natin. So, here we go. Gawa tayo ng new web page, I guess. Website. Go to website. Click natin new. New page. PLDT fiber plans. Continue. Usually tatluhan yan eh. Drag natin dito. Let's change the units na lang later, okay? Only fiber, yeah, I think it's like broken down into prices. Nine. Okay. Only 1599. Still don't know bakit laging may butal na 99. Would make it 69 para sa ating telco. 2069. Because why not? Okay, let's just delete the price. Lagay natin dito 2699. Or no, better yet, nadodoble na. So, ang tawag natin dito, the gold plan. Ano mo naman mahilig dyan sa gold? Okay? Silver plan. Ang tawag dito, the Tanso plan. Okay, so let's save this. Okay, so dyan muna po tayo ngayon. I will upload further videos. What's important is you have your own IT service management system running. Okay? So, we'll be learning yung mga templates, CMDB, okay? Which is, by the way, CMDB is the list of all your devices in your office as defined by the asset management. Okay, so dyan muna po tayo for now. And thank you for your time. Let's save the video.